What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to clean an Xbox 360 disc. All you need is Crest toothpaste. Crest. I already put some on my disc, as you can see. I would not recommend anything but Crest. So what you gotta do, you just put like 2 globs on your disc, and then you like rub it on there. Just make sure you don't get it like on that middle part, like where it reads the disc, because then your game will just be broken. So yeah, when I get this cleaned off, I'll get back with you guys. So yeah, or maybe I'll just stay, I don't know, because my video editing is bad. So oh freak. Okay, so got that. Now what you gotta do, you just have to wait. Now all you have to do is you just have to get it all off. So yeah, I mean, it's pretty easy, but you just want to make sure you get it all off. I recommend you using hot water to get this off, but if you're a little scaredy cat, use cold water just to make sure you get it all off. So now, yeah, you can see me in the disc. Yeah, boy. See that? Alright, so I'm going to let this dry. And sometimes you can do like this and wave the disc and it will dry. Oh, did you hear that? That was my elbow. It popped. Alright, sorry, my hair's not looking that good today. But, oh, and if you can hear that meowing, that's my little cat for here.
Did you brush your teeth and wash your hands good?
Yeah.
You know, are you staying here tonight?
Yeah.
What about your backpack?
I'll go get it.
Well, are you going to walk over and get it?
No. Okay, sorry about that. But still have to let this dry for a moment. Yeah. What?
Did you have homework?
No. Okay, sorry about that again. Asked if I had homework. I said no. Princess, are you still in here? Okay, now I'm gonna see if this game works. So, you got my daughter. Freaking preggers. Is it gonna work? I don't know. It worked! Yes! Oh, and by the way, it's Madden 13. So, that was a simple tutorial just to show you guys that it actually does work. So, yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.